Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use aligning and grouping elements in Wix. This is incredibly useful when you're building a website and want to keep your design clean, organized, and visually balanced. These tools help you position multiple elements precisely without having to adjust each one individually. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From this drop-down, select Website to proceed to your website management area. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to align and group elements. Once you've verified you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the design magic happens. From here, start by locating the element you wish to group and align. It could be an image, a text box, a button, or any other design element on your page. Take your time to identify all the elements you want to work with. To align the elements, simply click on the first one, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the next element you want to include. Continue holding Shift and clicking until you've selected all the elements you wish to align. Once they're all selected, you'll notice a menu icon appear at the top of your screen. Look for the Layout option and click on it. This opens up a range of customization tools, including Align Elements, Distribute Elements, and Match Size. Under the Align Elements section, you'll see different alignment types with previews that show exactly how each alignment works. Choose the alignment type that fits your design needs. This makes it super straightforward to see what you're getting before you apply it. Now for grouping elements, the process is just as simple. You'll follow the same steps by clicking on each element while holding Shift to select all the ones you wish to group together. The difference here is that once you've selected your elements, you'll see a Group Elements section appear. This is much more straightforward than aligning. Simply click on Group Elements and those selected items will now move as one unit and adjust together within the same parameter. This means you can drag them around, resize them, or reposition them without worrying about them getting separated or misaligned. And that's it. You've now learned how to align and group elements in Wix, which will make your design process much faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.